Okay, so welcome to Engraving Concepts, dealers for the Epilog lasers. This is the Epilog pre-owned FiberMark laser system in a 50-watt machine, a 50-watt power level. It has a 24 by 12 workspace. It has a top door and front door that open. And as you can see, the table here moves up and down to accommodate the thinner or thicker parts so that they fit in the machine. For a turnkey setup for the Epilog laser, you'll need a computer running some design software. We recommend CorelDRAW. And then the parts and caps are going to fit inside the machine, as I'll show you. And then this is a portable indoor filter unit. If you're not able to vent outside, then you'll need to purchase one of these indoor fume extractors. These run around the $4,500 range, or you can purchase from a hardware store a outside dust collector that runs around $300. So this is the full setup, and inside the machine I already have one of the caps set up in the upper left corner ready to go. And so we're going to send the layout from the design software, where we have, obviously as we can see here, the circle, the plate, the cap shape, size, the QR code, and all the data. So we're going to print that over the machine like a printer. And so once the job is printed, it sits over here in the display. So here we see the name of the job that's ready to run. So we've got it in there, in focus, ready to go. So we're just going to push the go button and take it from there. So that job to run took 1 minute and 26 seconds. I'll turn off the filter unit. We'll open it up and take a look. So really good, sharp contrast, clean text, clean QR code. And I've already tested this material, and the QR code does work. So I just brought up one of my reader apps, and it reads that barcode with no problem. So 1 minute and 26 seconds here on the display is what it took to do one. I could actually even bring that number down, probably even closer to a minute, as we work with the text, maybe a smaller DPI. We might be able to cut that time in half. And so I just showed for demonstration purposes the one in the corner, but we can certainly lay out several all the way across the table. So that's a good start on the Epilog FiberMark. Okay, here we have one of the black caps in, ready to laser. We've changed the speed and power settings just a little bit for this material, and brought down the level of DPI, or dots per inch. So we might get a little bit different kind of mark. We'll see how it turns out. You'll see that there's quite a bit more smoking on this particular plastic than the other. So this job took 1 minute 25 seconds. Let's take a look at the quality. This particular plastic is not burning with high contrast like the gray. We see that we get a nice clean mark. It's just not very visible There's not much contrast in the black material, so a light colored gray. I don't know yet if this would actually read with the reader, but I'll give it a shot. But certainly the mark is there, it's permanent, it's legible. A full job run of 18 caps at one time would take 23 minutes and 12 seconds.